Hello, everybody. So I took the class with Lady Hale, excuse me, and let me just say that the price she charged was too low. She gave everything that she had and then some. She over delivered whatever you needed. She helped out that entire day. She was not letting us get off the Zoom until we had everything done that she advertised. I personally am so grateful that I took the plunge, and I'm not sure if I would have learned as much as I did if I did not take her class. Now, that was my first class. You know how you see things and you're like scrolling, you're not really sure? Well, I am grateful that I hit the button to register and to take her class. And the support after that has been phenomenal. Anything that I have asked her or asked anybody in the group, she has responded. No hesitation, no question. And she is a true teacher. So I'm looking forward to my next class. I'm looking forward to asking another question, and she's being available to help us. So if you're on the fence, don't be. Take the plunge, jump in with both feet, take whatever she is offering. She is a chock full of knowledge. All right? This is Sparkle from New Jersey. Talk to you later. Bye.